Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to do a recap of Zomedica, so ticker symbol ZOM. So a couple of weeks ago I did a video on Zomedica, so putting you guys on Zom when it was, I believe the price was $1 to a cent. So at the time I believed it was a good company and I believe the share price was definitely going to double. So the current trading price or the current share price of Zom right now is at $2.50, so it's more than doubled. As part of this recap, I'm going to go through the fundamental analysis, so looking at any articles. And as well as the fundamental analysis, I'm going to go through the technical analysis, basically letting you guys know where I believe is a good time to enter if it's still good to get in on this stock right now. Which leads me on to my third point. I'm going to give a price target. Welcome back to Investor Prime TV. David here. If you're new, this channel is a one-stop shop for anything investment. So investment ideas, investment discussions, stock picks, when to get in the market, when to get out. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. With that being said, let's get this bread. So Zomedica's share price has been increasing quite rapidly the past couple of days, and this is due to a vast number of reasons. So I'm going to share with you a couple of reasons why I believe Zomedica is a good company to get behind, and if you're already behind, to stay behind this company, and why I believe the stock price is going to continue rising. So currently on Yahoo Finance, so Zomedica Pharmaceuticals Corp, ZOM, is currently trading at $2.50 and it's up for about 9% today. The market cap of Zom is 2.1 billion, so it's a mid-cap company, which shows that as a company is pretty stable. The current trading volume for the day is 170.3 million, which is extremely high, okay? But the average is even higher, okay? Which shows there's a lot of investors getting behind this stock and buying up this stock, etc. So currently on Globe News Wire, Zomedica signs Truforma distribution agreement with Miller Veterinary Supply. Zomedica Corp, ZOM, a veterinary health company creating point-of-care diagnostics products for dogs and cats, today announced that it has signed an agreement with Miller Veterinary Supply, Miller, for the distribution of Truforma, Zomedica's first product, planned to begin sales on March 30th, 2021. Okay, so the article, although the article was written or published on January 25th, is still very relevant right now, and it's part of the reason why the share price has just been increasing, and part of the reason why I put you guys on Zomedica when I did. In terms of the company, this is great news because they're going to be getting a lot of demand for their product, which means they're going to get a lot of business and a lot of revenue for the company. So as a company, they'll be able to grow even bigger. And this is even better news for us investors because it ultimately means that the share price is just going to continue climbing, okay, for the months and years to come as the company gets bigger. So as the company sees more successes in the future, in the short term to long term future, investors that are behind this company will also share in those successes. So before I go further, just a little information about what Truforma is. Okay, so Truforma is a diagnostic platform that uses disposable assay cartridges to provide rapid in-office testing of whole blood, serum, and plasma. The system uses bulk acoustic wave BAW sensors, which allows for non-optical detection. And Zomedica states that the testing system can provide reference lab accuracy at the point of care. The Truforma platform ties into Zomedica's My Zomedica Care platform. So basically they're able to test your pets, okay, dogs and cats, on site. So basically testing them there and then and giving you extremely accurate results. So the kind of results that you get in lab tests. So this shortens the time of results and testing, so you effectively know what's wrong with your pet almost immediately. Zomedica Corp increases previously announced bought deal offering of common shares to $173.5 million. Zomedica Corp, ZOM, a veterinary health company creating point-of-care diagnostics products for dogs and cats, today announced that due to demand, the underwriter has agreed to increase the size of the previously announced public offering and purchase on a firm commitment basis 91.3 million common shares of Zomedica at a price to the public of $1.90 per share. Less underwriting discounts and commissions, the closing of the offering is expected to occur on or about February 11th, 2021, subject to satisfaction of customary closing conditions. So guys, this is huge because the fact that there's a lot of demand for this stock they're now offering a lot more shares to the public. Okay, so which means that us diamond hands, although we're holding our shares, we can also buy more of these shares. And also people who haven't gotten in, they can effectively buy shares. So this is testament to the amount of demand for this stock. So currently on the chart of Zomedica Corp, so the trading price at the moment is $2.52. So there's still 2 hours left of this trading session. So as you can see, from effectively November, the share price kind of took off, but it really took off from the start of this year, 2021. So 4th of January 2021, it took off and effectively hasn't looked back since. I mean, there was an opportunity where you could have gotten in at the dip. So, and since the dip, it's effectively made another huge run from the start of February. So the way the share price has made a huge run up right now, I'm expecting a dip, but this is uncertain because of the amount of demand that's in this stock. This dip might not come. Okay, so if you're thinking about getting behind this stock or getting on board this stock, then I would suggest that you build out your position over time. So you start off maybe at this price, and then if it dips, then you average down. But I believe there will be a dip coming, so you'll be able to get on at a cheaper price. So where do I see this share price going? So my price target for Zomedica initially is $5, but I'm planning on holding Zomedica, holding my shares long term. So Zomedica is a good company to get behind and also a good stock to get on board. But because it's made a huge run up, okay, it'll be wise to wait for a dip. Okay, don't go chasing the stock right now when it's quite high, when the share price is quite high. Wait for a dip. Okay, so which will lead me on to a lesson of the day, which is a dip. Okay, buying on the dip is always a good idea. So whenever a stock price makes a huge run up, i.e. makes a new high, like 52-week high, you can expect a dip. Okay, a dip is effectively when the stock price is consolidating, it's taking a rest. Okay, so it's pretty much preparing to make another huge run up. Okay, nothing goes up forever. What goes up must come down, but the dip, it comes down a little bit. Okay, and that's the best time to get in. If you're already in on a good stock, a good play, and then it makes a huge run up, okay, when it makes a dip, you can add on more shares, or you can take some profit off the top, and then when it dips, you can get back in at the dip with the profit that you made at the top. So that way, when it goes back up, you ride that trend back up. So dips are very important, and it's something that you guys should be very much aware of. I want you guys to be patient. With investment, you need to be patient. It's all about getting in at the right time, getting in low, buying low, and then selling high if you're going to sell, or buying in low and then riding it out. Your strategy, whatever you guys want to do. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. And guys, comment below, let me know if you're thinking about getting in on Zomedica, or if you're already in Zomedica, or you didn't know about Zomedica until now. Okay, let me know in the comments below. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.